Okay, this is an anti-parasite roll-on that I've been applying to my stomach and seeing really good results. So that's the roll-on. There's a little roll-on top that I took off that I'll put it back together in a minute, and there's the other lid. And I can take this with me anywhere, and basically I'll show you what I've been doing. So this is argan oil from Now. I really love this. I actually change up the carrier oils that I use though, just because I don't want my skin to get over used to one individual oil and stuff. So I've also got this Tamanu oil, and this is actually really good stuff. I use it kind of sparingly. So I also use an almond oil. But anyways, right now I'll put just a little bit of squirts in here. This is getting kind of low, and it gets harder to squeeze it out when it's low, go figure. Yeah, so low it looks like it's about out. Anyways, I guess I'll call it good on that one. Go back to loading this. But yeah, I just fill this up most of the way. This makes it really convenient. I can take it with me anywhere. And I actually apply this to my low back, around my thighs, around my ascending and descending colon kind of deals. So that means all the way from the right side of my lower stomach all the way up and around underneath my rib cage, and then back down to where my pelvic region is. And I apply it on pretty regularly. I've also found colloidal silver creams to be very effective and beneficial. So then this is Nature Shield that I put in here too. So I take the Nature Shield and I put like 20 drops in here, or 15. And yes, this is pretty concentrated, and yeah, you probably don't want to go crazy overboard, especially if you're not doing colon cleanses or anything to detox your liver, because that's mainly where the toxicity is going to build up in your system, is into your liver. So I also use oregano, I use that really lightly because that can make your skin feel really warm if you use that. But I just put a drop in there, maybe 2, and then adding a little bit of eucalyptus as well may also be beneficial. So those are the things I use. Cinnamon, clove, those would also be good, but those are basically all inside this Nature Shield, because this is basically like a thieves oil knockoff brand. As you can see, all that stuff in there. So yeah, I just pop the top back on, put the lid on it, and shake it up, and we'll be all done, and I'll take it with me to go.